I would like to welcome you all in the video on the important top project ideas on the human resource management specialization. This will be useful for those who are doing MBA and PGDM. So moving on to the discussion, the first topic which you can select for doing an MBA project is or PGDM project is a study and analysis on employee attrition and retention of employees in XYZ company. Find out some certain variables and how it is impacting. Okay, you can use primary data or any secondary data. For example, take any one of the XYZ company. For example, you can take the attrition and the retention rate of employees in Infosys Private Limited. So you can go to the website, company website and collecting secondary data, or else you can directly interact with the employees of Infosys. Then you can have a better analysis. Either you can go for primary data or secondary data. Next is study on employees' views towards employee welfare activities of XYZ organization. So there is an organization. Consider an organization nearby your premises. You can conduct a primary data collection from the particular employees, like a we can conduct an analysis on employees' views towards employer welfare. How the welfare employee is welfare activity going on in that particular company or not. We can have an analysis. Okay, so that you can get a better result also. Study on 360-degree performance appraisal process in XYZ organization. First of all, you should understand what is 360-degree appraisal. What is the difference between conventional type performance appraisal and the 360-degree appraisal? How 360-degree appraisal? So identify any company, are they adopting 360-degree performance appraisal or not? So then yes, you conduct a survey, detailed survey and detailed data collection from that company. And you can do two things before implementing 360-degree performance appraisal and after implementing 360-degree performance appraisal. Better you can have a comparative analysis. That will be a very good result you will get. That result can be presented in your MTech thesis, MBA thesis or PGDM thesis. A study on lean recruitment process. What is the difference between lean recruitment? How employee retention and how sound employees will be recruited, how the best person will be selected based on the lean recruitment. How about the profit of the organization? Those factors you can consider. Next is a study on role of HR executive in an organization. What is the importance of HR executive? Okay, so because of HR executive, how the company is actually growing. So based on that, we can conduct a detailed study. Then study on performance appraisal process and impact on the satisfaction level of employees in XYZ organization. Consider any one of the organization. One of the example is XYZ organization. Okay. So what we can do is how the performance appraisal will be impacting on the job satisfaction. Then whether job satisfaction are people are getting job satisfaction or job dissatisfaction, that you have to identify. That is your work. Then a study on employer relationship in a particular company. Generally, you can select the 10 companies, take a sample collection. Based on that, you can decide that how the employee-employer relationships are happening in general. Okay, is there any abnormality? How it is going on? Okay. Next is the analysis of induction process followed by XYZ organization. Because some freshers are going to join in a particular company, how the company people are interacting and how they are providing the induction, how the new like the beginners will be capable of doing the work. Next is reward system. Okay, you can now reward system and impact on employee performance. How the reward system will be impacting the positive vibes among the employees community. Will the work, will the outcome will be improved or not, that we can identify. Industrial relationship in organization. How the industrial relationship among different organization, that how it is going to impact the profitability and the productivity of the company. A study on reduce the absenteeism in XYZ organization. What are the different the factors you can consider to minimize absenteeism in the particular organization or in the particular department? Identify a department where people are not attending the report, not reporting for duty. So how to overcome this particular situation? Okay. So and one of the impact is creating the positive work culture. That is the most important. So these are the most important and valuable topics for doing an MBA project on human resource specialization. Basically, it's a all of general idea only. You try to collect more data, arrange in a sequential fashion. Any confusion at that time, you can put in the same message in the comment box. I can help you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day.